Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and setup of the Google Home speaker. This is the original Google Home that they first came out with. They still sell these. I've had this for about a year or two now. Just never taken the time to unbox it. We've basically been an Amazon Alexa home, and Google Home's been kind of stepping up their game. We've been using it a lot more, so I figured I'd unbox my additional speakers. So I do have some Google Home Minis around, and I've got a couple more to unbox. But this is my first full speaker that I've set up. My parents have these, and they really like it. So yeah, figured I'd unbox one and just walk you through adding it to the network. Here it is, 2018. So here we go. As always, these boxes just get more impressive with time. Nice little device. It's got like touch screen up top, or not touch screen, but touch activation up top, and little plug in the bottom, and that's about it. It'd be nice if that was USB. It's like little proprietary jack, but yeah, pretty simple. One button and then touch on the top. I think you can swipe back and forth or tap, and then up and down for volume, forward, and then it's got, I guess, microphones, two microphones, directional microphone, and then the speaker on the bottom, right? So the box, let's see what else it comes with. Little pad for that thing to sit on. And then, plug. And then getting started card. Just start with OK Google. This probably just tells you what kind of phrases, which most of these have probably been updated now. We got a lot more. You can get designer bases, which is kind of cool. Colored bases, if that's your thing. And yeah, the controls. So it's got the lights up at the top. The entire top is a touch surface. Yeah, microphones on either side. Lights when activated, and then microphone on or off, so you can turn the microphone off if you have it in your bedroom or something like that. Tap once to stop and pause audio. Circle to change the volume, and then long press to start your request. So long press, circle to do volume. Yeah, so, and maybe it has some updated functionality. I don't know. It's been a while since this box came out. So anyway, to set this thing up on the network, maybe this is, no, that's like what to do. This is like limited warranty and all that. A fine print card, design card. Here we go. Touch controls. Getting started. 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. You gotta like that, right? Plug in to the Google Home. Plug power adapter into the wall socket. Download and run the Google Home app. So pretty simple, right? So let me go ahead and plug this thing in, and we will get started. Gonna be cool if that was like USB-C or something that just plugged in, but yeah, it's not like you're gonna be losing this cable. So, but it is very special cable and adapter. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Here it goes.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Alright, and as I said, I already have the Google Home app on my phone, and I've got a couple devices already set up on it. Actually, I've got a couple minis, got two minis. I got an entryway speaker and a master bedroom. So, this I think I'm going to put in the living room, perhaps. And then, yeah, so this will go in the living room. And I've actually got a screen coming. I'm going to put one of the new screens that I'm going to put in the kitchen. So anyway, let's see. Let's just go here. Got the new Google Home app. I'm just going to say add. And out of the options here, add to home, set up a new device. Looks like the one I want. And then I got new devices. Set up new devices in home. Google Home, smart displays, and devices labeled made for Google. That looks like the one I want. Choose a home. Okay, so I only got one home set up in here. Next. So it's looking for devices. Set up some smart lights. I wonder if it found my smart lights. But anyway, Google Home. That looks like the one. I'm going to select that. Connect into Google Home. Your tablet or phone, or your phone or tablet may disconnect from Wi-Fi during setup. So I think these two things are talking to each other right now. The Google Home. And notice the lights are just kind of like, ooh, there it goes. Did you hear the sound? This lets you know you're connected to the right Google Home. Yes, we heard the sound. Alright, help improve Google Home. Automatically share device stats and crash reports. Sure, why not? Be a good citizen. Where is this device? I am going to say family room, living room. I'll call it a living room. That's where that's going. Next. Alright, connect to Wi-Fi. I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi. Nice, don't even have to put in a password. That's awesome. Connected. Okay, before using your Google Assistant, here are a few things to know before using your Google Home. Google partners, blah, 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 all the privacy and all that kind of stuff, right? I've already agreed to. Again, I've already trained. Normally, if you start this up with a brand new, fresh install of Home, it will ask you to train your voice to the Google Assistant. I've already done all that. I just say that. Let me see. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. I imagine it's just going to jump through this because I've already done it, but I agree. Yeah. Looks like you've already set up voice match on your Google Assistant on another device. These previous recordings can be used to make a voice model on this device. This should take less than a minute. It's very friendly, and you gotta love the lights. They're very expressive. Like it's thinking about stuff. It's processing. It's probably upgrading the firmware. All right, your personal results with your voice. Voice match has been set up. Now you can turn on personal results to use your voice to access your calendar, contacts, reminders, and more on this device. You can turn off personal results in assistant settings. I agree. Address. All right, add music services. So let's see. I've already got Google Play and Spotify set up. That's all I'm going to put on there for now. Add video services. I got Netflix linked. Again, that's all I'm going to use for now. Almost done. All right. Here's a review of what you've set up and some additional things you can do. Optional, add a payment. No, not right now. Change your caller ID. Choose a TV. Music playback. Let me see. I probably don't have to specify TV. I'll specify the family room display because it's right next to the living room. We'll say save. That's cool. So like you could choose your TV in the bedroom. That makes sense. Completed address, devices, services, all that stuff. Continue. Alright, we're installing the update now. The latest Google Home software is being installed. About 2 minutes left. Good things come to those who wait. Yeah, so it's going out and grabbing the update. It's installing the updated firmware on the device now. Alright, living room speaker is ready. Let's explore what you can do.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Alright, so let's just get started with hey, the word. Alright, so we can do play some music, set the volume, stop, get answers, get stuff done, fun, and more. Alright, so we'll say, hey Google, play some music.
Alright, music on Spotify. Here you go.
Hey Google, stop. Alright. Hey Google, how do you say nice to meet you in Korean?
만나서 반갑습니다.
Hey Google, how is the S&P 500 doing?
As of 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time last Friday, the S&P 500 is down 0.04% to 2,768.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Can a kangaroo jump higher than a house? Of course. Houses can't jump.
Ha 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 ha. Alright, cool. So I will finish setup. Alright. And then it just shows you your home feed, right? Cool. So there it is. Pretty easy to set up. And I'll let you know if I run into any problems with it, which, I mean, probably won't. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.